Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato bacon soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 6 slices of bacon, 4 large potatoes, and 1 medium onion. For the liquid base, have 4 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of milk ready. Don't forget your seasonings: salt, pepper, and some fresh chives for garnish. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Start by frying your 6 slices of bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven until they are wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, crumble it, and set it aside for later. Leave about 2 tablespoons of the delicious bacon fat in the pot. Add your 1 diced onion to the pot and sauté it until it becomes soft and translucent. Then, add your 4 peeled and diced potatoes. Next, pour in the 4 cups of chicken broth with the potatoes and onions. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. For a thicker, creamier soup, use a potato masher or the back of a spoon to mash about 1/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot. This creates a lovely, hearty texture. To finish our delicious soup, stir in the 2 cups of milk. Heat the soup gently over low heat, being careful not to let it boil, as this can curdle the milk. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper until it's perfect for your palate. Ladle the warm soup into bowls, then generously garnish each serving with the crumbled bacon and a sprinkle of fresh chives. Enjoy your homemade potato bacon soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.